Hello friends, today I am going to teach you 6-paneled petticoat cutting and stitching. Measurement is like this: length is 36 inch, hips 39 and waist is 34 inch. Now this is our petticoats cloth. It is near about to 1/4 meter. From one side we will cut 5-inch band, waist band to insert our cord. We will mark 5-inch and cut it from here. After cutting the waistband, now we will open this cloth like this and mark 1.5 inch both sides of our cloth and cut it in a straight line for our frills. Like this, we will mark it 1.5 inch and cut this straight strips. After cutting these strips, now fold your cloth lengthwise and take the circumference of your petticoat as per your requirement. I am taking 27 inch, so I am marking it at 28 because 1 inch we need for the swing seam. This is 28 inch mark, and now I will fold this to this mark like this. Now it will become in 4 layers. Now from the open side I will mark my length minus 2 inch. My length is 36 inch, then minus 2 makes it 34 inch. I will mark 34 inch lengthwise like this, from here also and from here also. Now this box is my required cloth for my 6-paneled petticoat. We mark our petticoat 2 inch less because we insert our cord separately and frill at the bottom separately. This adjusts our petticoat length equal to our required measurement. And now from the close part, mark 1/8 of your waist plus ½ inch. 1/8 of our waist is 4.25 because our waist is 34 inch. Then 4.25 plus half makes it 4.75. Mark it here. And from the opposite side, because this is open, all the panels here are open, then we mark 1/8 of our waist plus 1 inch. That makes it 5.25 inch. We mark it here 5.25 because we will do swing in on this side also, and we will cut here from here and do swing on this part also. So here we take 1 inch, and here this panel is closed, so here we take ½ inch. Now join these 2 points like this. They are slightly in a slant manner. After marking this slant line, we will first cut this outer box and then this slant line. These are our middle panels. We open it and they are 2 in number, and these are our side panels. They are 4 in numbers. We put 2 on both sides of the middle and we sew the straight line to the slant line of the middle. First of all, we will sew these 2 lines and then this one slant line. After that, the final slant line will make a cut for our petticoat. After stitching the middle slant line with the straight side lines, now here we get some extra cloth, so we have to cut this extra cloth first of all to make it level, and cut it on the both side of your petticoat like this. After cutting, now you match this both cloths right to right like this. and now do this slant stitching of one side. After this slant stitching, we will mark on the other side, it is open, and we will mark up to your comfort. I am marking 5 inch here, and I will do stitching from here firmly, and then do stitching leaving near about 1.5 inch here, because at the bottom we will insert our frill. Now I will stitch from here and proceed further. After this stitching, now this is our cut, and we will fold it like this. We will double fold it and do stitching from here to here like this. We will fold it and do it. Coming at this end of this cut mark, we will rotate it like this and fold from the other side. Take your machine to its end point, and now rotate again and fold it like this now again, and stitch it to your waist mark. This is our waistband, and now we will measure it from here to our top of our petticoat like this, and we will mark it here. This is extra, but we will not cut it. We will fold it to the wrong side of both like this and sew it here. After sewing the both ends, now take the right side of your waistband and wrong side of your petticoat, match it and fix it firmly here and sew it around alongside your waist like this. Sewing is done like this. This is our right side and this is our wrong side. Now we are sewing along our waist on the petticoat. After doing this waist stitching, now we will fold near about ½ inch like this our waistband and place it on this previous stitching, and now we will stitch here firmly first. And now we will fold near about ½ inch and take this cloth inside our waistband and place here, and now we will do stitching like this. This is the cloth for our cord. After joining the waistband to our petticoat, now we will make frill. First of all, we will join it these two strips, and then take the right side of our strip and insert plate on it, small plates on it like this. We will make plates on that part which we have cut from our petticoat cloth. Now you fold near about ½ inch cloth and place it like this and do stitching like this, and take your stitching little more farther from this plate and do again like this. After making this frill, now match the right to right of both, place it on it and stitch it to the bottom of your petticoat roundly like this. Now stitching is done like this on the circumference of our petticoat's bottom. Joining the frill like this, now here it is open, so we will stitch from here keeping this cloth in the upward direction like this. the cloth upward at the both side. Now stitch firmly at the end of the frill so that it does not tear off. After this joining, now take your petticoat to the right side. Place this cloth in the up direction and do press stitching on the petticoat's cloth like this. And do this stitching to the whole circumference of your petticoat. And this is the stitching and cutting of our 6 paneled petticoat. In the next video, I will teach you a new cutting or a new stitching in a new and simple way. Thank you.